All right, today I'm taking a look at a sword from United Cutlery. This is the Sword of Bard the Bowman from The Hobbit. There it is. And that is a surprisingly hefty sword. Like, this thing is bigger than I was expecting it to be. So you can see this is painted, but right here this is definitely leather. So you can tell just by pressing on here, this is a flexible leather material. So this handle is leather for sure. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it still looks really good. So we've got this logo here, and on the other side it has the Hobbit branding. So depending on which side you want to display, you can flip that around. But this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So that point is definitely sharp. So if you got a good heave on this thing, you could definitely stab something. The blade itself is not sharp. All right, so this is dull, but the point you could definitely do some damage with. And I love the finish on that thing. And it does have kind of an oil coating on there, so you could clean that off if you want to. It doesn't really need it because this is stainless steel, so it's not really going to corrode the way that a normal steel blade would. But you can tell by holding this thing, like, this is definitely a metal blade. This is a legit piece of craftsmanship. This is not a toy. You can see on the side with the Hobbit branding, this is where we got the stitching for the leather. And the other side looks a little cleaner, so I think this side is supposed to be the display side. But yeah, that's an absolutely gorgeous sword. So here we got some lore. Looks like it's almost taken from a page. But yeah, it'll tell you about the sword. All right, we got some screws and instructions for mounting it. So this must be the mount. You can see all the scratches that they put into it. Looks like a well-used base. And then in the bag we got these hooks. So that would screw in right into this hole here. And there's another one right here. It's kind of hard to see. So you would just have these two hooks, and then the sword would sit on top of that. So yeah, that is a beautiful sword. That far exceeded my expectations.